Welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul for the week. Let's just get started. So the first thing that I picked up is actually something that I saw at my local grocery store and didn't buy because it was, I think, almost $4 or $3.50. So it's these Nature Valley peanut butter granola bites, and these are actually gluten-free, so I'm super excited to actually try these, and for $1, if they're terrible, who cares? Then I have some more stickers. This is one of the more boring items. I have a lot of great stuff in this haul, but I did purchase some of these stickers, and they are kind of like holographic-y. I purchased them for our little honeymoon booklet that I'm going to be making of all the Polaroid pictures that we take, so I couldn't pass these up. And this next item is definitely an interesting one. It is this mini fan, and I think this would be great on your desk, especially since we're getting towards summer, if you get a little warm in your office. It is battery operated, and I think it takes 2 batteries. Yes, 2 AA batteries. But the purpose of me purchasing this one is for us to take to Jamaica. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm one of those people that always has to sleep with a fan on constantly. That's just me. So I was a little worried about not having a fan. So when I saw this, I was like, this is perfect because it's travel size, it's really small, and battery operated. So I can just throw it on the nightstand next to me. So if any of you are like me and really like to travel with a fan or would really like to travel with a fan, I would highly recommend. They had this in like pink, purple, blue maybe, and then this teal color. Next, I have this lip item. My favorite lip care item of all time is that little Vaseline pot that looks like a mini Vaseline, like true Vaseline container, and the rosy lips kind. But I saw that they had this in a stick form, which would be nice because you have to like put your finger in the pot and then it's like there's bacteria in there, and I don't really want to mess around with that. So I'm gonna give this a try. It's again in that rosy lips. It's not really a color. I would say it's more of like a scent, a little bit of a rose scent. So excited to try this. The next thing I got were these bath bombs. So if you watch some of my previous hauls, I was all about the pineapple coconut lime scent. I like to buy really nice bath bombs, but I take baths probably once a week, if not more. So I don't like to really use the nice expensive bath bombs all the time. So I got this 3-pack, again in the pineapple coconut lime. And I'll just pop one of these in there with a little bit of bath salts and still have like a nice aromatic bath, but it's not gonna cost a fortune, you know, a couple bucks per bath bomb. So these are great, highly recommend. And I think this is probably the item that I'm most excited for that I found at the Dollar Tree. It is cactus socks, and then a pair of just gray socks. But I am most excited about the cactus print on these socks. I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're so cute. And I saw another video of someone getting these, and I was so excited that they had these. I almost bought both the pairs that they had, but then I was like, you don't need them, you don't need them. But really, really, really excited that I finally found these. So the next 3 items that I purchased are actually nail polishes. And they are the Wet n Wild One Step Wonder Gel. These polishes don't need like the lamp or anything. They don't need any like light to cure them. So I got this really, really pale pink color. I'm actually wearing it on my nails, but I've been picking up my nail polish because I want to try this lavender color. I think it's perfect for this time of year, a great spring color. And then I also got this peach color for the summer. So I really enjoyed this formula. My mom purchased some of these nail polishes as well, and she really liked the formula. So I would highly recommend. And then the last item that I found is these flip-flops, actually. So these are really lightweight flip-flops. And again, as per usual, I'm constantly thinking about our honeymoon and things that I need. So I have a pair of the Havaianas, and I really like them, but I think that I might bring both, but I wanted kind of a crappier pair, so if something happens, I don't really care. Not that I really wear my Havaianas anyways, but I don't think you can really go wrong with an extra pair of flip-flops. So they had this print, and also a purple and a pink. Same kind of print, just different color. So for $1, You can't go wrong. So that is everything from this week, and I'm on the hunt for a few more items. So hopefully next week I'll come in. Oh, wait. I almost forgot about this one. This is a water bottle that I found. I've been on the hunt for a larger water bottle. This was a 35 ounce or a 30 ounce, somewhere along those lines. It's a little scratched up, but I needed something large because if I don't have a large water bottle, I don't drink that much water. I used to buy the Elka 65 water bottles like once in a great while because I think those are 50 some fluid ounces, and I would just refill the bottles because that kind of encouraged me to drink more water throughout the day and kind of have a visual of how much water I'm drinking. So I was super excited to find this. I don't think it's dishwasher safe, but I don't usually wash my water bottles in the dishwasher anyways, so super excited about this one as well. But now that covers everything for the week. Super excited about the stuff that I found at the Dollar Tree. Those socks, cannot wait to open those things up. And the flip-flops too, super excited about those. It's nice for the summer if you just want a crappy pair to bring to the lake or anything like that, and you don't have to worry about ruining them. So anyways, thank you for watching my haul, and I will see you next week.